2010 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, daytime running lights, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, heads-up display, privacy glass, remote window operation. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.